Cooper Marchie here. Today's story is interesting information on human beings. Although Western medicine has radically transformed the world for the better and given rise to some of the most remarkable breakthroughs in human history, in some ways it is still scratching at the lower slopes of the bigger picture. But overall, nowhere across the human health spectrum is Western medicine lacking knowledge than in the realm of mental health. The human brain is the most complex biological machine in the known universe, and our understanding of its workings is made more challenging when we factor in the symbiotic relationship in the mind-body connection. When it comes to the wide range of diagnoses in the mental health spectrum, anxiety is the most common, affecting 40 million adults in the United States age 18 or older. And although anxiety can manifest in extreme and sometimes crippling degrees of intensity, Western doctors are warming up to the understanding that a little bit of anxiety could be incredibly beneficial in the most unexpected ways. One research study out of Lakehead University discovered that people with anxiety scored higher on verbal intelligence tests. The same research team also discovered that people with anxiety showed signs of sentinel intelligence, meaning they were able to detect real threats that were invisible to others, i.e. test participants with anxiety were able to detect the smell of smoke long before others in the group. Another research study from SUNY Downstate Medical Center in New York involved participants with generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD. The findings revealed that people with severe cases of GAD had much higher IQs than those who had mild cases. The theory is that an anxious mind is a searching mind, meaning children with GAD develop higher levels of cognitive ability and diligence because their brains are constantly examining ideas, information, and experiences from multiple angles simultaneously. Remarkably, the scientists found that a large portion of people with social anxiety disorder are gifted empaths. People whose right brains are operating significantly above normal levels and are able to perceive the physical sensitivities, motivations, and intentions of other people around them. The team's conclusion reads, results support the hypothesis that high socially anxious individuals demonstrate a unique profile of social cognitive abilities with elevated cognitive empathy tendencies and high accuracy in effective mental state attributions. Empaths who have fully embraced their abilities are able to function on a purely intuition-based level. As Steve Jobs once said, intuition is more powerful than intellect. So if you're an anxious person, perhaps you are just more intelligent, empathetic, and caring than other people. Now that's just an idea. Do you know people who are socially anxious or empathetic? I do. Cooper Marchie here. Ciao.